Presenting this incredible 2016 Ford Explorer XLT wheelchair conversion vehicle. This rare conversion vehicle features a BraunAbility automatic in-floor ramp and kneeling system. With a beautiful leather interior and a little over 24,000 miles. This vehicle features a sporty design with a 3.5-liter V6 engine. Regain your mobility freedom with this 2016 Ford Explorer XLT conversion vehicle. Call AutoMobility store today and ask us about our vehicle shipping and delivery services.